In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an issue in Jira, a comprehensive Jira tutorial for beginners. Let's dive in and take you step by step through this process, ensuring that you can efficiently log any issues or tasks that need attention within your project. First, begin by logging into your Jira account. Once you've signed in, navigate to the specific project where you'd like to create your issue. This is an important first step because the project context helps organize issues, making it easy for your team to monitor and allocate resources appropriately. After you're in the desired project, look for the Create button. It typically resides in the top right corner of the screen. This button is your gateway to creating a new issue, so go ahead and click on it to open the issue creation screen. Now that you have the issue creation form in front of you, it's crucial to fill in all the necessary details. Let's start with the basics. Ensure the correct project is selected. Although you should already be in the correct project, it's always good to double check because you don't want your issues getting misplaced. Next up is the issue type. Depending on your project needs, you can choose from various options such as bug, task, or improvement. Selecting the appropriate issue type helps in categorizing and prioritizing work effectively. The summary is your next area of focus. Here, you'll want to provide a concise title that clearly describes the issue. Think of this like a headline of a news article. It should be short yet informative to immediately capture what the issue is about. For the description, think of drafting a detailed explanation of the problem or task. The description should provide all necessary context and information, making it easy for the assignee or any other team member to understand the issue without needing further clarification. Jira also offers optional fields which you can fill out if they apply to your project. These include the assignee, so designate a team member who will be responsible for addressing the issue. You can also set the priority level to communicate how urgent the issue is, and add a due date if necessary to establish deadlines. Don't forget about labels, components, and any other relevant information your project might require. These can be instrumental in managing and filtering your issues more efficiently. Once you've filled in all the required and optional information, it's time to submit the issue. Simply click the Create button, and your new issue will be logged into the Jira system for your team to track and resolve. And there you have it, you've successfully created an issue in Jira. Remember, attention to detail during the creation process can significantly streamline project management and contribute to smooth workflows within your team. Thanks for tuning into this Jira tutorial.